You can literally see the sound waves and frequencies coming out of your speakers. And then you'll be able to move stuff. So I can just literally grab a sound wave and turn it up or turn it down. Hey man, you ready for music production in the metaverse? Hey man, if you love my YouTube channel, then you'll really love the Wavy Elite. The Wavy Elite is a membership group that offers you way more than you can get on YouTube. Not only do you get one-on-one communication with me at least once or twice a week through our live lessons, Q&As, but we also have multi-track practice sessions, 2-track practice sessions. I'll be bringing along other experts because I don't know everything. So every month we have monthly master classes where you get to learn from an expert in the field. We give each other feedback on mixes and help each other problem solve issues in the studio. As a member of the Wavy Elite, you'll also get access to an amazing community of audio engineers and producers who are all learning and building with each other. There's 2 membership opportunities for the Wavy Elite. You can choose monthly or annual membership. If you're ready to take your skills to the next level and really grow your career in audio production, the Wavy Elite is what you're looking for. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from Wavy.com. And if you don't know yet, this channel is all about helping you to record and mix in the metaverse. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn the notification bell on, and share this video with somebody who you want to see off in the future, man, because this is the future right now. The time is now for music production. The way that we create is changing, right? You already see it, the way that we consume is changing, but we're gonna take it to the next level. A couple weeks ago, Mark Zuckerberg changed the name of Facebook to Meta. Says he wants to help to build the metaverse, man. But then if you unpeel those layers, you will know that somebody's been building the metaverse all along. In fact, it's been growing and growing and growing right before our eyes. I have been thinking about the metaverse and music production in the metaverse, and I've come up with a couple ideas, some visions that I've had for the metaverse, man. We're gonna talk about those in a minute and really lay out what I think music production can be. But first, let's check this tool out, man. So part of what the metaverse is gonna be this augmented reality world that allows us to blend the real world with the digital world. So augmented reality. This Oculus 2 built by Facebook, right? So my man has been on this for a minute, getting this augmented reality, and also with what's that? Microsoft HoloLens is another augmented reality headset that's taking over, and it's gonna bring us in, and it's a whole kind of world, man. But there's just so many possibilities. Let's just go ahead and open this up. This is also an unboxing of the Oculus. Now I chose the Oculus because if you check my video that I posted at NAMM 2020, the 2020 NAMM, there was a company called Perspective who had a DAW controller that allowed you to control Pro Tools, Logic, and other DAWs. You basically could use the Oculus to do your mix. And also it had another part to where you could program drum beats and all of that using the Oculus. So I went on ahead and rock with the Oculus because I think that's the start of it, and I'm interested to see what other apps are on the platform. So let me get the, all right, it's a tap. See, okay. You gotta be smarter than the box. The Oculus 2. If y'all already in the Oculus, man, if y'all is tapped into the metaverse, go ahead and drop down into the comments and let me know. You know what I'm saying? Or drop your name or whatever I need so that we can connect, because let me see, is there something else? Okay, what's included in the box, man? Let's see. Included, we got the VR headset, silicone cover for facial interface. We got 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries. I needed them a minute ago. Power adapter, glasses spacer, and a charging cable, all right? So that's what's in here. That's what we can expect. I think this thing is just gonna slide out like a sleeve. Yep. Got the Oculus. Ta-da. Ooh. Let's see, you know we gotta start with the little box first. How we looking up there? We still? Okay, so let's see. I know Oculus is through Facebook. This is just some little documentation. This is our USB-C charger, okay? And it got a brick. That's all that's in there. And then, some super simple packaging. You got your controllers. Okay, I think you do them like this. Bing, bing, bing. So you can imagine me mixing, turning faders up and down, all that. Or am I doing it, or do I got it backwards? No, I think I had it right. Or maybe I got them switch hands. Yeah, I think that feel right. That feel better. Yeah. Pew, pew, pew. All right, so those are the controllers. And then we got the headset, man. And this is like a spacer, they said, okay. That's the silicone piece to cover it up. You know, I'm jumping right in though. I'm jumping right in, man, you know. Can we pimp the hat with the Oculus? Oh man, how I look. Uh-oh. Hey, are we in the metaverse or no, baby? Hold on, let me get my thumbnail off. I don't know what kind of thumbnail to get. Oh man, okay, so that's the Oculus. It's actually pretty comfortable on the head, man. But let's go ahead now that I got this unboxed, man. I'm gonna play around with this later and dive into some of the apps and stuff like that that's on there. See what kind of tools they have for music production. But one that I was talking about was Perspective. This app, again, basically is a virtual control surface for your DAW. And you could use it with a few different DAWs right now to do different things in your mix, panning, levels, automation, all kind of stuff. It's pretty dope. I'll make sure I link that whole NAMM 2020 video down in the description. So my idea, I got a couple ideas. So one idea that I have for using augmented reality and mixing in the metaverse is that you will literally be able to see with augmented, reality glasses to where you can see your real space mixed in with the digital space overlaid on top of it, right? You can literally see the sound waves and frequencies coming out of your speakers. And then you'll be able to move stuff. So I could just literally grab a sound wave and turn it up or turn it down. Move it to the left, more on the left speaker or more to the right speaker, and everything will be color coded, right? So that would be one way that we were just like literally moving frequencies around in our room. And this could also be a new instrument, right? Think about that, how you could literally create a new instrument by bending frequencies virtually and playing with different tones that way. It could be really cool. So mixing is one thing where you could literally get hands-on with tweaking frequencies in your mix and see them, but seeing the frequencies and seeing a spectrum analyzer, no matter where you look in your room, and seeing what frequencies are building up where, so I can go look in a corner behind me and see literally if there's bass frequencies building up in that corner, and I can go and make adjustments for that, right? It's just mind-blowing, and that's just the beginning. I was talking with the Wavy Seals Elite. We were coming up with a few ideas about virtual classes in the studio, to where literally if you have an Oculus set, I could be here with a 360 camera and talking about a piece of gear. I could start giving tutorials, even here on YouTube, that can be more interactive, to where you can walk around and see the gear in a 360 view, using either Oculus or HoloLens or another type of VR headset. But also you can just use your cell phone. I know YouTube lets you do like 360 videos. So if y'all interested in that kind of content and y'all want to see like the future of music production and content production get started right here up on this channel, definitely drop down in the description and let me know that down in the comments. The possibilities are literally endless, man. You know, so I want to know what kind of ideas y'all have about music production in the metaverse. You could be making a drum pad, playing you heard of MIDI drum sets, right? You could literally just have a drum set that knows where you're moving your arms at, and then you don't even have to have anything physical. You could have a MIDI guitar. I mean, a virtual guitar. Everything can be virtual. We don't need anything physical anymore. All right, I'm done with all that metaverse talk. I'm Wavy Wayne from WavyWayne.com. Let me know what y'all think about music production in the metaverse by dropping it down in the comments and telling me your idea of the future. Be dope.